George Fox, Alexander Goode, Clark Poling, and John Washington prayed together as the USS Dorchester sank, united in faith and courage. On a freezing Atlantic night in 1943, four chaplains redefined spiritual leadership. The world was engulfed in World War II, and the Atlantic was a corridor of danger. Aboard the USS Dorchester were 902 souls crossing into uncertainty. They represented four faith traditions, yet one unified calling. At 12:55 a.m., a torpedo struck. Chaos consumed the ship.
In the face of panic, the chaplains did not retreat. They advanced into fear.
This was ministry of presence under extreme trauma. When life jackets ran out, each chaplain removed his own and gave it away.
A Methodist minister, a Jewish rabbi, a Reformed pastor, and a Catholic priest praying together as the ship sank. The chaplain's actions reflect the highest standard of ethical decision-making under extreme stress. Their willingness to give their lives exemplifies sacrificial leadership in pastoral ministry. Four different faiths, yet one collaborative mission, a lesson in interfaith chaplaincy. The ministry of presence provides comfort even when action seems impossible.
Courage is not the absence of fear, but acting faithfully in its presence.
Their lives serve as a moral witness for all who enter chaplaincy professions. Master students can learn how faith informs decision-making in high-stakes environments. Leadership emerges not in comfort, but under intense pressure. Interfaith ethics requires honoring each tradition while serving the collective good. Pastoral care in crisis teaches empathy, presence, and moral courage simultaneously. Their heroism was formally recognized with the Four Chaplains Medal posthumously. Modern chaplains can draw from their courage, interfaith cooperation, and sacrificial service.
Moral courage means choosing the right action even when the cost is personal.
True spiritual leadership balances faith, ethics, and compassionate action. The story of the Four Chaplains invites us to reflect. How would you respond to ultimate sacrifice? Their sacrifice left a lasting legacy, inspiring chaplains across generations and faiths. The Four Chaplains Medal formally honors their courage and selfless service. Their unity demonstrates that faith differences can strengthen, not divide, collaborative service. Modern chaplains draw lessons from their courage, presence, and ethical action in crises. Sacrificial ethics calls chaplains to serve others even at personal risk. Their calm leadership amidst chaos teaches how presence and guidance save lives. Interfaith collaboration ensures chaplains can minister to all, regardless of tradition. Being present in moments of fear and uncertainty defines effective pastoral care. Courage under fire is about acting faithfully, even when risk is absolute. The Four Chaplains stand as a moral witness for generations of spiritual leaders. Students of chaplaincy can study their story to develop courage, ethics, and interfaith skills. Their leadership under extreme conditions informs modern chaplaincy formation programs. Their choices challenge chaplains to consider ethics in life and death situations. Applying their example today ensures chaplains remain courageous, compassionate, and ethical.
The
story of the Four Chaplains invites reflection. How will you respond to sacrifice and service? Their courage, faith, and unity remain a timeless model for all in chaplaincy. The chaplain's story teaches us that ethics, courage, and faith are inseparable in ministry. Leadership emerges most clearly when one serves others selflessly under pressure.
Interfaith collaboration shows that shared values surpass doctrinal differences.
Consider how you would respond when called to ultimate service and sacrifice. Today's chaplains can apply these lessons to care, courage, and ethical decision-making. Their legacy reminds us that courage and faith can inspire generations. Analyzing their choices helps students understand leadership, ethics, and interfaith practice. The Four Chaplains inspire all who serve. Be courageous, compassionate, and faithful. As chaplains, our call is to serve others selflessly, guided by faith and ethics. Thank you for exploring the story of the Four Chaplains with Chaplain Prof. Ojatts.
Like, share, and subscribe to Chaplain Prof. Ojatts for more chaplaincy insights.
Continue your journey in chaplaincy education and ethical leadership.